Hello, welcome viewers to my channel. We want to provide an answer to this question under polynomial. We are to find the quotient and the remainder when the polynomial 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 7 is divided by the linear function x minus 2. Good. In our previous lesson, we did with the remainder theorem. So if I'm to find the remainder, I'm just to find the zeros of the linear divisor, put it into the function and get that answer. That will be remainder. But in this case, I need also the quotient when this divide is. So it means we can also go for long division. But we have treated long division in the previous edition. So in this question, we want to use the synthetic division. We explained that division of polynomial is done in two forms: the long division approach and the synthetic division. Under the synthetic division, yes, we will still use the zeros of the linear divisor and the coefficient of the function. So we have the coefficient. The coefficients are going to be 4, -3, 1, and what? 7. These are the constant terms. So we are picking the constant terms out there. Now finding the zeros. So the divisor, we are going to have x minus 2 equals 0. That implies that our x is equals to what? 2. So we are going to align all those coefficients we have. Then we place the value of x, which is the divisor, out here. Have our bar. Now let's drop down the 4. Multiply the 2 by the 4. You get what? 8. Place the 8 here and add. When I add this, I'll be having 5. Use your 2 again to multiply the 5, which will give you 10. Place your 10 here, add. You will get what? 11. 11 times 2 will give us 22. So I have 22. When I add, I'll be having 29. Always, the number that you have, the last number is always your remainder. If this were to be 0, it would have mean that this linear divisor is a factor of the polynomial. Or we will say there is no remainder if this function divided by this. But the moment we have this, it means this becomes our remainder. So right away, we know the remainder of this polynomial. Then number 2, the quotient. Since here we were picking only the coefficient of the function, it means that these are also coefficients of the function of the quotient. And since the function is a degree of 3, our quotient will be a degree of 2, a decrease of 1. So we are going to pick this as our constant term. This is going to be the coefficient of x, and this will be the coefficient of what? X squared. So our quotient is going to be 4x to the power 2 plus 5x plus what? 11. And the remainder is going to be 29. So we can see that we can also use synthetic division in finding the remainder or find the quotient of any polynomial. The long division can be used. If you use the long division, we can still get your quotient right away. Then the remainder will also be arrived at. So these are the two methods used in division of polynomials. If the method of long division elude you, go back into my previous edition. You get how to divide a polynomial using the long division method. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye.